Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dashandrun, well, we're going to be having a look at this. Now this is from Ozito and this is basically a laser level. It's also a conventional level, and I have a brick paving job out the back of my house at the moment that I'm working on, and I thought, well, I've got a conventional level but I haven't got a laser level, so I thought, well, we'll get one of these and see if this is something that's quite neat to use. It's not a particularly expensive item, so that sort of sold me on it, and it also comes with a 3-year warranty, which is pretty cool anyway. So anyway, like all my videos, do my usual, which will be an unboxing, and we'll have a bit of a closer look and see if this is something you might want to get for a particular job as well. Okay, so the first thing out of that packaging was basically this, which is the manual, and this will tell you how to operate this laser level, and it has all the safety guides and basically all the operations of this laser level. So that's pretty cool that they've included at least a manual, because a lot of them don't nowadays. Next is this little thing here, which is basically a plate stand that you can put the level on. You can mount it on a wall. You've also got a tripod mount, and you've got an adjustment here to make it higher and lower, and you can also unconnect it as well. So this is quite good for attaching the laser level to various different surfaces and devices, like an actual tripod. So I'm pretty pleased that they've included this as well in the box. You get two AAA batteries, which is pretty neat. That this also comes with the batteries, so you don't have to buy those as well. So I like the fact that they've included them too. And finally, we've got the star of the show, basically the level itself. And as you can see, it's pretty small. It's not a very big level, but it's got a bit of weight, which is good. Now you've got a metal part here which is flat, and that allows it to sit nice and flat on the ground. Going this side, you've got a magnet which is used for attaching basically this device, and when you put it on like so, you can attach it to the wall or a tripod. Like I said earlier, it takes two AAA batteries which go in there, and then you've got your conventional bubble levels on this side, which you'll need for making sure everything's level. Now you've got a dual switch on this, which is pretty handy. If you switch it forward, it gives you like a laser pointer, which is really handy. So you can use that for pointing out things, or marking things from a distance if you want to see how fast something is going, or doing a string line perhaps even, which is quite handy. And then if you switch it the other way, that operates the actual laser. Now I'll test it out a little bit, just showing you, trying to check to see if one of my picture frames is level. But the main purpose I got this for basically was to do my brick paving at the back. I will not show you that because that's an ongoing job and it's going to take a while. But overall, I have found this extremely useful and I can highly recommend this. Anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.